Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Clukr. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off on top and we're going to draw the piece coming out from the top of the head. Let's start with a small curve. And then bring it up and curve it down on both ends. Next, let's hop on top in the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it down, and the same on the right side. Now we're going to start about halfway down and let's draw a curve out and around, forming a skinny oval shape. Now that we're done the hat, let's move underneath and let's draw a circular curve down and back up for the shape of the head. And then hop inside and let's draw 2 circles near the top for the eyes. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a curve across at the top. And then a circular curve underneath and back up. And color both of these in black. That's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a line across for the mouth. And now let's hop underneath the head and let's draw 2 angles down for the sides of the body. And close it off at the bottom. And that's it for Clukr. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!